morning. We're looking at the Frontline Golf new development to be handed over altogether in March 2021. Modern style townhouses, all are finished, all are similar sizes. You come in straight into the living room. As you see, it's sunny. This is a southwest orientated unit. Nice big living room with a big kitchen and your laundry room with the boiler. On this level you have a guest toilet as soon as you enter the property, and we'll be going downstairs for the garage to see view it as well, but when we've seen the whole house. Nice sized, bright and shiny living room, big double glazed windows with a system, automatic ventilation system that makes your house breathe all year round when you're not here. Let me see if I can get this open. So we're Frontline Golf here, which is a guarantee that nobody will go in front of you. Massive terrace. So it's about 30 minutes past 12, half past 12. Sun from around 10 o'clock until the sun goes down. Got the pool here to our right. You're 5 minutes away from Estepona. By car you've got the shopping centre, Mercadona, beach, just a stroll down. Now we're walking up to the 3 bedrooms, all on the same level. No distribution hall. Master bedroom. Built-in wardrobes. Master bathroom with walk-in shower. The guest bathroom that is shared by the other 2 bedrooms. Second bedroom, built-in wardrobes again, nicely finished, and this wooden touch on inside as well. Easily you can fit in a king-size bed. Here we're using it as an office. They also have a built-in wardrobe. I'm going to add a video for the downstairs garage. Spacious locked space. Thank you very much for watching the video and have a nice day.